here's a suggestion. If you're like me and you live on an island or you don't have access to a Saidi stick or a Bellydance studio or store, this is a great way to kind of make your own. So I go down to the local hardwood store like Home Depot or Ace Hardware or whatever you have in your neighborhood, and I get a wooden dowel. So you can ask the salesperson a wooden dowel. And depends on the thickness. I wanted to go a little bit lighter because I have a little bit of a carpal tunnel thing going on. So I went a little bit lighter. The top is about the size of my thumbprint. Something like that, more or less. But check the weight, see how it feels for you. The next thing you do when you want to get it to fit you, what is your size? How big is it? This is obviously way too big. So I typically go to my hip bone. So my hip bone is right here, and that's where I want it to be. So typically right in line with my hip bone. So it's about right there. All right, the next thing you're gonna need is some sandpaper because you don't wanna have splinters around your fingers. Any kind of sandpaper. Make sure it's nice and soft. You can check the other side, all good. Next thing you're gonna do is you can either add tape around it, like gold tape or silver tape, or you can spray paint it. So I'm gonna be spray painting mine. So make sure you read the instructions. Measure it twice, cut it once. That's really important. And voila, you have a shiny Saidi stick for probably about $7. So pretty practical. And one last tip, you guys know my favorite tip is you're gonna put a stopper on it. Get a rubber band. And you want something rubbery, right? You're gonna tape that around, wrap it, make it really tight. I like to smoosh it all together here, and it creates a stopper. So when you're doing your Saidi moves, you have a nice stopper. And you know my favorite, the Fifi Abdu style, same thing here. So this stopper is everything for you. Get a matching colored one though. So there you go. There's your tips on how to make your own Saidi stick.
Yeah.